Today I am at Anderson Enterprises in Anawan, Illinois, and out here on their farm they have this nice versatile 936. I'm going to take this thing for a spin here and try to get some drone shots while I'm driving it, but let's just take a quick walk around this thing and check it out. Got the Ford emblem, designation 6-936. It's got the big Cummins 855 cubic inch motor in it. Outboard planetaries. Let's take a look here in the articulation joint. You know, this has not changed a lot over the years. This is the way they ran them back then and still looks a lot like this today. Gonna be pulling this Krause Dominator here. This has got 9 shanks. Just take a look back here. Bareback, no PTO, no 3-point. Now let's climb up in the cab and take a look up here. I'm always showing you the inside of the cab of these new versatile tractors, but let's take a look at an older one here. This tractor is in very nice shape for its age, so check this out. Got the tilt wheel, ignition, got our gauges, lights, all that, switches, warning gauges here. We got 3 speeds and reverse down here, so you got reverse, 3, 2, and 1, and then we got 4 speeds here, our throttle, 4 remotes. Got the sound system up here, climate control, all that good stuff, and pretty nice cab for the day. Got some storage compartment back here, back window opens. Take a look down here. Of course, we got our clutch pedal, brake pedal, decelerator pedal right down there. And just an awesome view. Overall, just a pretty nice cab, you know. Tractor says it's got 7,597 hours on it. Very clean for the age. Be running this tractor and flying my drone at the same time, so if you see a couple skips here and there, just ignore them. I am an experienced pilot / tractor driver. And here we go. It's a lot easier to fly a drone when you're driving a tractor when you got auto guidance, but this tractor does not have it, but that's okay. I'm not going super fast, and I think I did all right. A little bit about the Versatile 936 tractor. These were built at the Versatile factory in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada from 1985 to 1988. At the end of this tractor's production in '88, this tractor would have sold for around $91,000. These are powered with the Cummins 14-liter or 855 cubic inch engine. There was a 6-cylinder diesel engine that was turbocharged and rated at 310 engine horsepower. There was 2 different transmissions you could get in this tractor. You could get a synchro transmission like this one has here with a total of 12 forward and 4 reverse gears, or you could also get this with a power shift transmission that had 12 forward and 2 reverse gears. This tractor had a fuel tank capacity of 286 gallons, and depending on how this tractor was equipped, would have weighed in somewhere just under 27,000 pounds. When I was out here, these guys were shelling corn, trying to get their corn harvested. This tractor was set idle, which gave me the opportunity to come out and make a few rounds with it and make this video. They were just the next field over harvesting their corn, but with the rain coming, I had to make a decision here. Do I film the combine or go over and run the 936? And if you're watching this video, I think you know what decision I made here. But hey, I was able to get this little bit of bonus footage here, so you got to see a little bit of it anyhow. And of course, the Krause Dominator is doing a beautiful job out in this field. It's a deep tillage tool, but it leaves a nice smooth finish, as you can see right here. Now, this farm grows a lot of non-GMO corn and soybeans. Also, this versatile 936 tractor has been on my YouTube channel recently pulling a Salford 7-bottom moldboard plow. If you've not seen that video, I'll put the link to it at the end of this one. I'll quit talking now, and we'll listen to the sound of this tractor, this Cummins engine, in action. Has anyone else noticed the safety chain dragging on the hitch of the Dominator? I didn't even know it till I was editing this video. And in case anyone is wondering, that is Interstate 80 going across Illinois right there in the background. And this field is just on the north side of that. wrap up this video. If you did like this video, please go down there and hit that like button and feel free to comment below. If you're new to my YouTube channel, I would really appreciate it if you would go down there and hit subscribe. Also, check back often. Always lots of new and exciting content coming to my YouTube channel. And if you want to see more of what I'm doing, what I'm out filming and so forth, you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. As always, thank you for watching and supporting my social media.